Hello again, YouTube. This is what I finally decided to do. Instead of just arbitrarily just um, take the garden hose to it, I decided to pull off the motors. I think that's better. I don't want water to get into the motors. And I've put plastic over the power supply. So now I can go in there and with my all-purpose cleaner and my garden hose, I'm gonna do that and wash it down properly. See that? This is okay. I'm gonna take the water right through it and just let everything dry out. Let it stay for a couple of days. The capstan and the motors, I will clean those separately. These are really rough, and I'm gonna rebuild them anyway, so that's all good. And speaking of the devil, see the rain start to fall outside. That's why I like to stay inside while I'm working. Stay in the garage. Okay, so this is where I'm at. Tomorrow I'm gonna be washing this thing down real nice. Okay, it should be all right. So what happened is that after I wash it down and everything is all dried out, then I'm gonna reassemble it and do my analysis from there. I've always said I don't like to work on dirty units, so I always clean them first. All right, stay tuned for a follow-up on this cleaning of the PR99 Mark 1.